Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can update all the drivers on your Windows. So if you're going to update your driver manually, then that could be very time consuming. Well, is there a way to update all the driver with just one click? Then let's go quick into the process on how we can do that. So I have here this software. This is a free software, the Driver Booster 12, which is the free version. Now, this link will be given in the description section of this video so that you can arrive at this link directly. Now, you have here two options, free download and the free trial. Now, this is a very trusted software and this is also safe. As you can see, rate this software. It has a high ratings. It has 4.5 star. And then so that means that when it has a high ratings, then this software is effective and this is also safe. And aside from that, it's just free. So you have here two options, free download and the free trial. So we are going to go with the free download. So simply click on free download. Then the file right here will be downloaded. So let's just wait for this. Now once done, double click and then you have to close the browser. And now the setup file right here. So let's just wait for this to open. Now we have to click on install, click on accept, click on accept. And this is now installing the app. Now installation is complete. Then we just have to simply close this window. Click on scan now. So you after the installation has been completed, it will ask you to scan now. So you just have to click on scan now. So now it has done scanning and now we have here 16 device drivers outdated. So to update all of these drivers, then just simply click on update now. Now we have installation notices. So in your case, we are just going to follow the installation notices. So in your case, you also need to follow that so that all the drivers in your case will be updated. So as you can see, this is starting the update process. So as you can see, this is currently updating the drivers on my Windows. Now this could take minutes, so this is just the process. So I've shared to you on how you can update all the drivers on your Windows with the use of this software. So this will take minutes and I will not make a very long video just to show you how this will be completed. So this process will start from 1% and this will goes up to 100%, and once that goes up to 100%, then that means all the outdated drivers on your Windows has been updated. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.